This is so good. I did a poll on my Instagram and asked you guys if you wanted to learn how I make my nourishing smoothie with over 40 grams of protein and no protein powder. Look, I drank protein powder for years and years, and honestly, the vegan protein powders just left me feeling bloated, and plus, it was expensive. So this is a way that you can get all the protein that you need using natural sources. And I don't know about you, but lately I have just been all about my natural sources, okay? I just don't want to use that many supplements anymore. I want to be able to just reach for whole foods and make my body feel good with those whole foods. So that's why I've been loving this nourishing smoothie. It has over 40 grams of protein, so it's going to keep you full. Most women are not getting enough protein. They recommend that we get at least 20 to 30 grams of protein, and I promise you, since I've been eating animal-based, it has made a huge difference implementing way more protein. Like, I'm fuller, I don't want to snack, my sugar cravings have drastically diminished. Like, I used to need a bar of chocolate, like a dark chocolate, almost every night. Like, not a bar, a square. And I don't even have my dark chocolate anymore. I don't need it. Like, I don't crave it. If I want something sweet, I'll have like dates with a little butter in there. But the bottom line is we need to nourish our bodies, ladies. We need to, grabbing a piece of toast or a cup of coffee isn't going to cut it anymore. We have to start nourishing our bodies, especially if you're waking up feeling like crap. Stop the intermittent fasting. I know that you guys have seen me do it, but I honestly feel like it took away my natural hunger cues, and it just like messed up my hormones. And now I'm working on repairing that and fixing my metabolism and nourishing my body with nutrient dense foods. And that's why this smoothie is gonna have things that you typically wouldn't see in a smoothie. I know there's gonna be a few questionable ingredients, but I promise you it tastes delicious and it's gonna make you feel amazing. All right, enjoy and tag me if you make it.
So I'm using raw cow's milk. I get it from a local farmer's market. I'll link it below. If you don't have access to raw milk that is unpasteurized, you can use regular organic milk. I put 8 ounces of this. I personally love buying the raw milk. You get all of the nutrients straight from the cow. 8 ounces is going to give you 16 grams of protein. Then come your egg yolks. Now you're probably thinking, why, Lily? Why egg yolks? Think of the egg yolks as a natural multivitamin. It's full of protein, healthy fats, and it has lots of wonderful vitamins, magnesium, copper, zinc, just to name a few. Then I add half of a frozen banana. Then I like to get the mango chunks from Trader Joe's. I go out of my way to go there because look at this beautiful bright orange color. When I get them anywhere else, they're like green and flavorless. So I just put about a 1/3 cup of these just for that tropical flavor. And then I use the Greek yogurt from Costco. I love how big it is. And 2/3 cup gives you 18 grams of protein, which brings us to our 40 grams of protein total in this shake. And then my secret touch, I feel it makes all the difference, 3 fresh strawberries. I don't like how the frozen ones taste. I like my shakes really cold, so I add about half a cup of crushed ice to this. And then lastly, I add my organ supplements. I do beef heart for heart health, intestines for gut health, and then I put a few scoops of collagen in for hair, skin, and nails. And I just throw the capsules right into the shake and it'll just naturally dissolve if you blend it long enough. Look how smooth and creamy it comes out.
All right, guys, that is the recipe. I'm gonna go get my grounding in because that is another simple practice that you can do in the mornings. Look at that sun out right there. I'm gonna put my bare feet on the ground and I'm going to get my sun therapy while I drink my nourishing smoothie. It's all about small, simple habits that are gonna make you feel your best. Channeling the highest version of yourself, and it starts with nutrition. All right, let me know if you enjoyed this video, this recipe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.